Today we'll talk about how can you find your muted accounts on your Bluesky app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down, click here on settings down here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, just keep going down. Then you click here on moderation, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on muted accounts, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here verified or muted accounts. Like you see, I have nothing, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.